When your airways are filled with mucus, the story begins in the dark tunnels of your chest. This mucus is a protective, gel-like secretion produced by goblet cells, designed to trap dust, pathogens, and debris before they reach delicate lung tissue. Sensors in the lining feel intrusion and fire signals through the vagus nerve to the brainstem in about 0.2 seconds. The nervous system snaps to attention. Muscles brace. The glottis seals. Pressure builds to nearly 100 millimeters of mercury. Then the valve bursts open. Air explodes upward at speeds over 160 kilometers per hour, carrying droplets, dust, and thread away. The response is precisely timed and involuntary, initiated long before conscious awareness can intervene. It is reflex, defense, survival, perfectly timed and unstoppable. That's the moment when we cough.